For today's video, we will discuss which is better, Verizon or Xfinity. So let's begin. Now, Verizon and Xfinity are two major providers of internet services in the United States, but they differ in several aspects because Verizon primarily operates on a fiber optic network known for its delivering high-speed internet with reliable performances, and fiber offers faster and more consistent speeds compared to traditional cable internet. Now, Verizon boasts high-speed plans with symmetric upload and download speeds, making it suitable for heavy internet users, gamers, and households with multiple devices. But the availability is very limited to specific areas, typically in urban and suburban regions, and might not be accessible in all locations. But Verizon generally receive positive reviews for its customer service and support. Now, in terms of Xfinity internet services, it operates on a hybrid fiber coaxial network which combines fiber optic and coaxial cable technologies. And the good thing is it's available across the whole country. Xfinity offers a range of speed options from basic plans to high-speed packages. Its speeds, of course, might vary depending on the location and plan. More often than not, Xfinity provides bundled packages with internet, cable TV, and home phone services. Xfinity, unlike Verizon, is available in many areas including urban, suburban, and rural regions, making it more widely accessible compared to Verizon. Now, in terms of speed and performance, consider the internet speeds you need for your household and whether Verizon or Xfinity can offer the required speeds on your area, because you have to check which provider offers services in your specific location, as availability might vary depending on your address. And of course, nowadays, you have to research and consider the reputation of both providers for customer service and support, right? And last, compare the pricing and plans offered by both. Consider any promotional offers or bundles that might suit your need. All right? And again, the idea of choosing between Verizon and Xfinity depends on your specific requirements and preferences. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next one.